सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी।
A hearty welcome to honorable dignitaries and dear audience. Today we are enacting a drama about our soldiers. Our soldiers! Soldiers are backbone of a country. Without them, nation cannot exist in peace. They sacrifice their today. They sacrifice their today for sake of our tomorrow.
It is their selfless service during wars like the Indo-Pak War, the Indo-China War, Operation Vijay, Operation Meghdoot, Kargil War, and many more.
They dedicate their abilities to guard and nurture the principles of peace and harmony. Soldiers like Captain Vikram Batra, Major Sandeep Puning Krishnan, Major Mukund Vardarajan are always cherished for their patriotism. Do you all know how our soldiers are trained? Through stress, pain and every strain. They guard our dreams day and night to keep us safe and free. As a tribute to the heroes of our nation, today we are performing the drama to honor them.
सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना।
चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना।
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा।
आज ट्रेनिंग क्या की दिन है और सब अगले स्तर पर है। शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, sir.
You will be posted to different states. Stay safe and keep excelling. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Soldiers, attention.
Forward march.
Left, right, left. Left, right, left.
मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा।
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेशे
Hey friends, our training is completed. Yes. But the only sad thing is, we'll be posted to different destinations. Before that, we get a chance to enjoy our vacations with our family.
Yes.
Oh. what about you, man? Our newly married friend?
After 6 months of my marriage, I have received a letter from my wife. She has requested me to come home as early as possible. Also, she has a surprise for me, you know. Haven't you received a letter from your family?
Of course, I have received a letter from my mother. It has been such a long time. I haven't met her. She must undergo an eye operation. So, she requested me to come home and take care of her. Ravi, what about you?
Yes, my sister is getting married. I have to take care of all the arrangements. She is dependent on me.
Do you know? I am waiting for a happy moment to meet my family and friends and enjoy a festive occasion.
That's good. Friends, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Come.
Son, I was longing to see you. I was eagerly waiting for your arrival.
Your compassion for me is so great. Probably that would have inspired you to expect my arrival.
Maybe, son. You feel weak. Go, refresh and relax.
Ma, you had sent me a letter about your eye operation. What about that?
Yes, my son. My vision is blurred. After the operation, I would be able to see you clearly.
No, Ma. This is important. So let us visit the hospital now and get your eyes operated.
No, son. No. Have your lunch first. Later we can visit the hospital.
No, Ma. We cannot delay anymore. This is concerning. Please come with me.
You never listen to me, my son. Let us go as you wish.
That's my mother. What happened? Why are you running?
There is an attack on the military base. You have to immediately report to the duty. Okay, bhaiya, bye.
Amma, I have to go now.
You go now. The nation needs you. The nation needs many brave people like you. You go. I'll wait for your arrival. Take care, my son.
they consider their duties towards their motherland more important than their personal desires.
This is how all our soldiers have been serving our motherland. So, when you see our flag flying high, remember that our soldiers have been working day and night to protect it and us.
We salute our soldiers for their patriotic service.
Yes, we are indebted to them for their brave deeds. Vande
Mataram!
हम जीत गए, जीत गए, हम जीत गए।
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका। आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना मेरे वतना में तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था। कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबा वाला था।
Mother of a brave soldier, we are thankful for your sacrifice. Mothers like you are pride of our motherland.
India is a blessed nation to have a soldier like your son.
The contribution of your son will be cherished forever.
We salute to the heroes of our nation.
I lost my son, but India gained a hero. His sacrifice is my pain, but also is my pride. His courage inspires every Indian soul. Jai Hind!
केसरी ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है। तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद।
Today is a very special day. December 7th is also known as Indian Armed Force Flag Day, honoring the bravery and sacrifices of our soldiers, veterans and martyrs. It's a day to remember their service and support their families and contribute to their welfare. This song is a tribute to the heroes of our nation.
मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू। वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन